Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD. Today is Saturday, February 13th, 2021. It is 5:18:41 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And today's research is on the biochemical rules of cancer. So let's hop to it here. Biochemical rules between RNA-protein interactions and expression of thousands of genes uncovered. Work has potential implications for new therapies to treat cancer and neurodegenerative disorders. Date February 10, 2021. Source Case Western Reserve University. Summary. A team of researchers has found a way to measure key characteristics of proteins that bind to RNA in cells, a discovery that could improve our understanding of how gene function is distributed in cancer, neurodegenerative disorders, or infections. RNA, short for ribonucleic acid, carries genetic instructions within the body. RNA binding proteins plays an important role in the regulation of gene expression. Scientists already knew that the way these proteins function depends on their binding kinetics, a term that describes how frequently they latch onto a site in an RNA and how long they stay there. Until now, researchers could not measure the kinetics of RNA binding proteins in cells. The findings open the door to a biochemical understanding of RNA-protein interactions in cells. By understanding the kinetics, researchers can quantitatively predict how an RNA-binding protein regulates the expression of thousands of genes, which is critical for developing strategies that target RNA-protein interactions for therapeutical purposes. The study marks a major step towards understanding how gene function is regulated and how to devise ways to correct errors in this regulation in diseases such as cancer, neurodegenerative disorders, or infections. The Kinetic Landscape of RNA Binding Protein in Cells was published February 10th in Nature. Funding from the National Institute of General Medicine Sciences and the National Science Foundation supported the research. To measure the kinetics of RNA binding proteins, the researchers used a laser that sends out extremely short femtosecond pulses of ultraviolet light to cross-link the RNA binding protein, known as DAZL, to its several thousand binding sites in RNAs. DAZL, short for deleted azospermioite, is involved in germ cell development. Researchers then used high-throughput sequencing to measure the change of the cross-linked RNA over time and determine the binding kinetics of DAZL at thousands of binding sites. The resulting kinetic landscape allowed the researchers to decode the link between DAZL binding and its effects on RNAs. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. Well, hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.